Are you building a budget Ryzen PC? Choosing the right B550 motherboard can save you hundreds. Today, we compare two high-value AM4 options from MSI. First up is the MSI Pro B550 MVC Wi-Fi. At just $84.99, this Micro ATX board offers PCIe 4.0 and Wi-Fi 6E. Need more power? The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi at $124.44 brings robust cooling and ATX expansion. So, go budget-friendly with the PRO, or upgrade to the Tomahawk. Which board fits your next build? If you want pure value, the MSI PRO B550 MVC Wi-Fi delivers. For just $84.99, you get Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and PCIe 4.0 support for your Ryzen 5000 series chip. Step up to the high-performance option. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi, available renewed for $124.44, offers full ATX spacing and superior gaming thermal design. Whether you choose the budget-friendly PRO Micro ATX or the heavy-duty Tomahawk ATX, your Ryzen 5000 system gets a rock-solid foundation. Pick the perfect board for your setup and build with absolute confidence.